So good morning students. Today we will discuss about Civics chapter 1, Human Diversity. Class 6 Civics chapter 1, Human Diversity. So what is the meaning of human diversity? Human means we human being, and diversity means variety, various types. Diversity means variety अलग अलग type का. So please see the lesson, follow the lesson, page number 1. Look around you as you sit in the class. Each one of you is different from others. Some differences are obvious, like some of you are boys and some of you are girls, and some of you have long hairs while some have it short, some are short while some are tall. These are differences you can make out at a glance, but there are other differences like the language we speak at home, or the religion we follow, or the kind of food we like to eat, or the kind of music we enjoy. These differences might be less obvious. So diversity means variety of changes, अलग अलग type का. So some variety, some changes are obvious and some are less obvious. कुछ चेंज जो होता है वो obvious, common and कुछ uncommon changes. So as you sit in the class, you will see in one bench you will see the boys and other bench, or sometimes you mix up and sit boys and girls together. So boys and girls, their characteristics are different, their appearance are different. So and some of you have long hairs while some in short, some are short while some are tall. So these changes are obvious, common when we compare two human beings in their gender. And the less obvious differences are, the difference might be less obvious when but there are other differences like the language we speak at home, or the religion we follow, or the kind of food we eat, or the kind of music we enjoy. These differences might be less obvious, but they are equally important in making each of us what we are. So some differences like students are coming to school, they have friends, but all of them are of not the same religion. Their food habits are not same. The way they speak in home, their languages are not same. So these are the differences which might be less obvious, and they are also equally important in making each of us what we are. So in spite of all the differences we have among us, but we have to consider it, you have to make it equal, gives it equal important in making each of us what we are, and this makes unique human being. And in spite of all these differences, we live together, we come to school together, we study together, we play together. So all these things, in spite of all the differences, the way we behave and live together as a friendly relation, this makes unique human beings. Next, what is the need for diversity? So why this diversity is important? डाइवर्सिटी क्यों जरूरी है? Diversity or variety is one of the most beautiful aspects of life on earth. No two humans are alike, just as every snowflake that fall on the earth is shaped differently. जितना भी snowfall ऊपर से गिरता है बर्फ का टुकड़ा, when it comes down to the earth, all of them have the different shape. So just as diversity is beautiful, it is also very necessary. So diversity is a beautiful thing, and as well as it is very necessary. Therefore we need the diversity. Like some people are skilled carpenter while some prefer to be teacher, some build aeroplanes while some prefer to fly them. If everyone had the same skill, could we be survive? No, humans with diverse interests and skills are a necessary for society. So अगर सोसाइटी में मान लो कि हम लोग सब ह्यूमन बीइंग अगर एक ही काम करेंगे तो क्या एक सोसाइटी चलेगा? नो. इन द सोसाइटी वी नीड टीचर्स ऑल्सो, व्हेन वी फॉल सिक वी नीड डॉक्टर्स ऑल्सो, वी नीड ड्राइवर ऑल्सो. सो ऑल द basic requirements of human beings which we need must be prevailed in the society. So when people do different types of work, different types of job, different types of religion they follow, different types of food habit they eat, so all this diversity is essential in order to run a smooth society. So अगर diversity नहीं होगा तो एक सोसाइटी विल नॉट रन स्मूथली. सो देयरफॉर वी नीड डाइवर्सिटी इन आवर सोसाइटी, एंड इन स्पाइट ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी वी ऑल लिव टुगेदर एंड इट ऑल आर हेल्पफुल टू ईच अदर. सब एक दूसरे के लिए हेल्पफुल है. देयरफॉर इट इज़ गिवन हियर दैट डाइवर्सिटी इज़ ए ब्यूटीफुल थिंग. डिफरेंसेस होने के बावजूद भी सब एक साथ मिलजुल कर रहते हैं. इसीलिए डाइवर्स को क्या कहा गया है? डाइवर्सिटी को. डाइवर्सिटी एक सुंदर थिंग है. डाइवर्सिटी इज ब्यूटीफुल. हो जाएगा.